I'm Chef Champion. Let's bring cooking back the way it used to be. Welcome to the new age of culinary learning.
We're not done yet. I still got a watermelon salad to make for you. So we're gonna set this to the side and get started on that watermelon salad. All right, now we'll go ahead and cut up this watermelon. For those of you guys that don't know, watermelon is extremely healthy for you. They're really, really good for hydration, especially these police officers. They're out there, they're fighting, and you know, they need a little bit of hydration. So this is definitely something that they want to get into their body. It's also good in all the omegas and all the antioxidants too as well. So we just want to slice that in half. And then I'll show you a little trick with the watermelon. All you want to do is make a bunch of slices all the way to the core. And we want diced, so we're just gonna continue to slice. Remember what I said about diced? You slice it first, turn it at an angle, and then I'm just gonna make little slices, just like so. And then take my blade and then work it right underneath it. And this way, all my watermelon is already nice and chopped up for me. So we'll do the same. We'll add in a little bit more of this one. I don't think I quite need all of this. So I'll get rid of that. Okay, and then we're gonna take that and go right in the middle. Remember, run that blade right underneath it, just like so. There you have it. So now you have all your other ingredients, and just like that mango salsa, even though the watermelon is sweet, we can still add some savory ingredients to that too as well. So I'm gonna add a little bit of I'm gonna add a little bit of this red bell pepper. And this is kind of like a salad, so you don't have to slice these as small. You can definitely chunk them up. More of kind of like a rough chop is what I would say. Add that right to the salad. And now we're gonna add in some sliced black olives. Give it that nice color. That black olives with that contrast from that red is really, really good. And we're gonna add in some blueberries. Now, as you guys know, blueberries are probably one of the highest antioxidants berries that are out there. Very good for anti-aging, cancer, leukemia, you name it, good stuff for you. So I have a half of a lemon. I'm actually gonna squeeze that right over all of my ingredients. Give it a nice little acidity to wake it up a little bit. Oh yeah, get all that lemon in there. Have a little bit left over, why not? Just throw that on there, all right. Then now I'm gonna add a little bit of that serrano too as well, because I definitely don't want to overpower it with too hot of a pepper. So this is one where you might not want to add the jalapeno pepper or the habanero pepper. So I'm just gonna slice that real thinly, and I've already taken the seeds out. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of cilantro. For those of you guys that don't know, cilantro is also something very healthy for you. So you see, basically I'm making a super salad. Cilantro is basically the cousin of parsley, and it's definitely from the Mexican region, so it's good stuff. Give that a nice little rough chop. And like I said, I like a lot of cilantro, so I'm gonna add all that in there. And then I'm gonna add in some gorgonzola cheese. And for those of you guys that don't know about gorgonzola, it's the cousin of blue cheese. I love blue cheese, but gorgonzola just has a little bit of extra that hint to it that I really, really like. So now I'm gonna add in a little bit of red onion. So I'm probably adding in about a half an onion. There is no portion size. You basically add as much in as you want. So we'll go ahead and add in probably about, I would say, a half a cup of onion, or a half of an onion. So you have your sweetness, you have your savory, all mixed in this one delectable salad. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and give it a nice little mix. Oh yeah, if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, it's looking pretty over here. And this is where you can have fun with it. I can guarantee you, your kids are gonna love this too as well. We automatically love watermelon as it is, but if you've ever had watermelon this way, oh, you'll really appreciate eating healthy, that's for sure. This fresh watermelon salad, which has all the antioxidants that everyone needs to really give you that hydration and get our fire department and police department going.